We are back
with another banger. It's banger, man. Banger. All right. So, but today though, we're gonna be trying the DQ Blizzard s'mores, and yes, it is back. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I didn't even know it was back, but it is back, man. It is back. Show the people. Oh, look at that.
Go ahead. Try first.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Freaking good.
Hey, freaking good, man. It's not no good. It's freaking good. That's pretty good. Just not as frozen. I mean, it's just like any regular vanilla ice cream, but with like graham crackers and then, you know, I guess chocolate chips inside. I was hoping that there was like marshmallows, since s'mores have marshmallows, but I can't really, you know, taste the marshmallow. You know, honestly, this is a solid 6 out of 10.
My rate is 6.5. Okay, see you next time.